Hi yo, welcome back to this video. So to this video I'll be showing you guys a green look, how I got a green look, and I'll be using the 35M muffin palette. So I'll be going, the first shade I'll be using for my transition color is gonna be the light green shade. So after using that, I'm gonna blend it into my eyes right now, and that's what I'm using as my transition color. So after the light green, there's a dark green, so I'm gonna use that too, and I'm gonna blend it with the light green. I'm gonna blend it together so that it can kind of blend out together. Then after blending everything together, so I'll be going with a darker green. So I'll be going with a darker green, and I'm blending it on top of the dark green. So I actually don't know the name. I wish I do so that I can know how I'm gonna explain it, but anyways, we just have to get used to it and just create. So I'm blending with the darker green on top of the dark green. As you can see, the color just changed to like army color. So I'm gonna blend everything in. After blending that, there's the darkest green. So I'll be using darkest green on top of that too. So I'm gonna blend everything together. So as you can see, I'm just blending, I'm blending, I'm blending, I'm blending. I'm not a professional, but I'm just trying. I just practice, right? So I'm blending the other eyes. I'm doing the same thing to the other eyes right now. Just blending it. So I'm just using one brush for everything, but I actually clean it. So I'm using the Beauty Crush tapping blending brush in I think BC216. So I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm not really good at cutting my crease, but I just try. So I'll be using the LOUISE base 2 for my crease. Then I'll be using a shimmer. First of all, I went in with the darkest green, and I just blend the edges together with the crease so it doesn't have a harsh line. Then I'll be using the shimmer green. Oh my god. I'll be using the shimmer green on my crease. So I'm gonna just apply it on my crease. Just applying it on my crease right now. Oh. So I'm just applying it. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eyes. So I used two shades. There's a light shimmer green and there's a dark one. So now I'm gonna be using the baby skin primer to prime my face, and I'm gonna be using the ordinary, I think it's ordinary primer too. So I'm gonna mix those two together and apply it on my face and use it as my primer. So I'm just kind of using a brush to just brush it in. So then I'll be using the Elegant Pro concealer in the shade orange as my corrector. I'm just using it for the dark spot I have underneath my eyes, beside my lip and everything. Then I'm blending it out. So I'm blending it out. So sorry about that. I did my lashes off camera and my eyeliner off camera too. So this video should not be long. So after that, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline highlighter. Yeah, the Maybelline highlighter. I bought this from the drugstore, so it's not really expensive. So I'm gonna apply that on my face. Then I'll be going with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation in the shade Togo. That's 210. I'll be using this as my foundation. So I'm gonna take a brush I got this from Technique. It's a face brush. This brush is absolutely like everything. It's really really nice. Like as you can see, just blend everything together. So I'm using that right now to blend my foundation into my face, and I'm gonna use it on my neck too. So I'm just blending everything in right now. So I'm gonna be using the JRS Place concealer in the shade 12 to conceal underneath my eyes, my forehead, my nose, my cheek, not cheek. Then I'm gonna be spraying it with the, what is this? I can't remember the name of this setting spray I used. So I'm gonna be blending it with the Real Technique beauty sponge. So I'm gonna blend it, and I use two concealer. I use the Fit Me Maybelline concealer too in the shade 20 Sand. So I use this. So I'm just blending everything in right now. So I'm blending it in. Then after blending that, I'm gonna be using the Sasha Buttercup Scented Powder to set my face. So I'm gonna set wherever I put the concealer on my face. So I'm gonna set that. Then I'm gonna take a brush and a powder brush and just blend it out. So I'm just gonna dust it out eventually, right? So actually you don't leave it to sit a bit. I don't do that. I don't know. I think if I do that, I actually just come out it to be so white. So I just do it a little bit, then dust it out immediately. So I like setting wherever I put the concealer. So I'm gonna be using my eye pencil. This is the wet and wide eye pencil to line my lips. Then I use the NYX Tease Me Sleep Purple lipstick. I just use a little bit of it and clean it up so that it's not too much. And I applied a glitter lipstick. I can't remember the name of the glitter lipstick. Alright. Then after doing that, I'm gonna set my face with the Morphe setting spray. So I'm just gonna spray it. Then after spraying it right now, you guys are gonna see the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.